I will discuss about pre-writing skill. This is standing line. Standing line. Understand, children? It is like this. Standing line. This is sleeping line. Sleeping line like this. Sleeping line. Left slanting line. Slanting line like this. Left slanting line. Right slanting line like this. Right slanting line. Left curve. Left curve like this. Left curve. Right curve. Right curve like this. Right curve. This is up curve. Up curve like this. Up curve. This is down curve. Down curve like this. Down curve. Understand, children? So, what is this? It is standing line. What is this? It is sleeping line. It is left slanting line. It is right slanting line. It is left curve. It is right curve. It is up curve. It is down curve.